Hello children, in your last class you have learned about how to measure your mass of an object, whether it is heavier or lighter. We have learned the standard unit used to measure the weight, that is your kilogram, that is 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. And we have seen the weights which are used to measure the mass. Now in this question, if you have to measure an object which is of 500 gram and you have to take 100 gram to weight that 500 gram. So how many 100 gram weight you will use to measure that 500 gram object? So what you have to do, you have to just simply write how many 100 gram weight make 500 gram. So you will just write 500 divided by 100, 0 will be cancelled and 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5. So you can write 500 gram weight make 500 gram. In the same way, you have to measure an object whose mass is 1 kg and you don't have 1 kg weight, you have to measure with 500 grams. So how many 500 gram weight you will use to measure that 1 kg objects? So what you have to do, you know 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So you will write 1000 divided by 500 because you are using 500 gram. So just you cancel the 0. Then it remains 10 divided by 5. So you know 10 divided by 5 is your 2. So you will use two 500 gram weights to make 1 kg weight. Okay. Here it is given 1 kg is there, 1 kg object is there. How many 200 gram weight you will use to make it 1 kg? Simply you will write, you will convert 1 kg into gram first. Then you can divide 1000 by 200. So you cancel the zeros. 10 divided by 2, that is your 5. So you will come to know that 5 200 gram weights make 1 kg. Similarly here, on the basis of these, your exercises are given. We will do that later. First we will see exercise 2, question number A. Fill in the box. Here you see on the left pen weights are given and on the right pen objects are there. So you have to write whatever written on the weight. Like weight of the banana is dash gram. Here it is written 50. So you will just write 50. Let me show you another example. Here you can see weight of the strawberries is dash gram. You can see here it is written 20. So you will write 20. Then we will do this one. Weight of apple is dash kg. Here it is written 1. So you write 1 kg. Weight of the oranges is dash gram. So we will write 500 gram. The other rest you will do by yourself. Come to question number B. Here it is written how much more is to be added to the following to make it equal to 500 gram. So it is, you can see here 100 gram is the given and it is telling how much you will add to make it 500 gram. So children, what you have to do? You have to just write 500 gram minus 100 gram, that is your 400. You need 400 gram more to make 100 gram equal to 500 gram. It is asking dash plus 100 gram will be 500 gram. So in order to find the answer, what you will do? 500 minus 100. Same way 300 gram is there. So what you will do? You will simply subtract 300 from 500 gram. And you will get the answer that 200 to be added with 300 to make it equal to 500 gram. These two you will do. In the next question you see it is written how much more is to be added to the following to make it equal to 1000 gram, that is 1 kg. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, you know that one. So what you have to do? Here we are subtracting with 500 gram, here we will subtract with 1000 gram. So 1000 gram minus 300 gram. So 2 zeros minus 2 zeros means 0 will come. Then 10 minus 3, that you know 7 will come. So 700 gram. Here it is given 400 gram, so we will write 1000 gram minus 400 gram is equal to 600 gram. Okay, rest 2 you will do. These all thing you will do in the book. Here you can see in the D number question it is written which is heavier, 500 gram weight or 400 gram. 400 gram means you can write 4 into 100. No need of adding it because it will be a long process. As you know multiplication, you can just multiply. How you will multiply? 2 zeros are there. You just write on the right side 0, 2 zeros. Then 4 ones are 4. So it will be 400 gram. So now you will see 500 is heavier or 400 is heavier. So heavier is 500. So we will write here 500 gram. Next you can see 200 gram weight or 550. So you simply write 550. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 fives are 25. So it will be 250 gram. So which is heavier, 200 or 250? So we will write here 250 gram. Next 1 kg. 1 kg you know it is 1000 gram. Okay, and it is given 4 200 means 4 into 200. It will be how much? 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, then 4 twos are 8. So it will be 800 gram. So which one is heavier, 1000 or 800? 1000. So we will write 1000 gram, or you can write in the bracket 1 kg. Okay. Then here it is given 100 gram. Here it is given 620. 6 into 20 you will do. 6 zeros are 0, 6 twos are 12. So which one is heavier, 100 or 120? 120 is heavier. So you will write 120 gram. In the next it is given how many 200 gram block together weigh to 1 kg block. Similarly, I have shown you in the previous page how we have find out this one. We will same way we will do this one. 1 kg we will write 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 200, how many 200 gram blocks are there? So what we will do? 1000 by 200. 0, 0 you cancel. Then 10 divided by 2, that is your 5. So your answer will be 5. Next it is given how many 50 gram block weigh together 200 gram block. So simply you divide 200 divided by 50. 200 is given and how many 50 are there? So you will divide by 50. 0, 0 cancel, then 20 divided by 5, you know it is 4. So 450 gram. Then for how many 100 gram blocks together weigh equal to 2 kg? When we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, so 2 kg will be how much? 2 into 1000, that is your 2000 gram. And how many 100 blocks are there? So what you will do? 2000 by 100. This 0 will cancel with this 0, this 0 will cancel with this 0. 20 divided by 1 is equal to 20. So the answer is 20. As I have done in the book, you have to do in the similar way in your book only. Okay? Can you see? You have to do it in your book only. Thank you.